Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rocket Cinquantotto espresso machine. Now for this machine we did quite a lot of work as we had to replace one of the fittings that basically broke. There was a couple of leaks inside of it as well. You can see some of the rust that the leak created. We had to replace all of these parts. We replaced them, make sure they were not leaking. Once we had the machine on and everything, we had to also replace the heating element of the brew boiler. And we also had to replace the expansion valve gasket. The gasket was leaking a bit over here while the machine was idle. And it was a very constant leak. The machine would actually start filling up the tray when we leave this on for a bit. So we had to replace the entire gasket. We made sure it was no other additional leaks. We set it up to 10 bars and now the machine is working the way it's supposed to. It's also heading hot at 1.2 bars of pressure, which is on the green line over there. And yeah, the machine is working great. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. I'm using my test coffee, so hopefully we get a good shot of espresso. There you go, 10 bars of pressure, which is great. Even though I'm using very old coffee and I'm using my test grinder over there, we got a nice shot of espresso coming out of this machine. Stop it right here. There you go. Good shot of espresso, great crema. And we're using very old coffee. Incident pressure coming out from the group head. Steam, as you can see, nice and powerful. And hot water. Working amazing. Steam boiler is now filling up. And now is full. And the boiler is heating up. So there you have it. Rocket Cinquantotto working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.